Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Buzruk. I will discuss financial statements of non-profit organizations. Go to study note number 4, preparation of financial statements of non-profit organizations. I will be discussing illustrations of preparation of subscription account. A single subscription account should be prepared to reflect both advance and arrears figures. The balancing figure will reflect the subscription amount that will be recognized as income and transferred to income and expenditure account, or subscription received during the year and transferred to receipt and payment account. Sometimes opening outstanding and closing outstanding subscription figures are given. Opening received in advance and closing received in advance subscription figures are given, as well as subscription received during the year is given, and you are supposed to find out the amount of subscription which is to be transferred to income expenditure account. This can be balancing figure if you prepare subscription account. If opening and closing outstanding as well as received in advance subscription figures are given and subscription as per income expenditure account is given, then subscription received during the year can be found out by preparing subscription account as a balancing figure which gets transferred to receipts and payment account. I will show you how subscription account is to be prepared. This is the format of subscription account. Debit side to balance brought down opening outstanding. First figure to the subscription account. Credit side last figure by balance carried down closing outstanding. Credit side first figure by balance brought down opening received in advance, and debit side last figure to balance carried down closing received in advance. Credit side by receipt payment account subscription received during the year. When the organization receives subscription, the entry is bank account debit to subscription account. So subscription account credit side by bank or by receipts and payments account. This amount goes to receipt payment account debit side, receipt of subscription. Now if you know opening outstanding subscription, closing outstanding subscription, opening received in advance, closing received in advance subscription, and subscription received during the year, then subscription for the year is your balancing figure which is to be transferred to income expenditure account. If you know opening and closing outstanding subscription, opening and closing received in advance subscription, and subscription as per income expenditure account, then subscription which is to be transferred to receipt payment account which is received during the year is your balancing figure. So this account is very important while preparing receipt payment account, income expenditure account. This is very helpful for finding out the missing figures. Now we'll see some illustrations. Illustration first. On 31st December 12, a club had subscription in arrears 16,000 and in advance 4,000. Opening outstanding, opening received in advance subscription is given. During the year ended 31st December 13, the club received subscription of rupees 2,08,000, of which 10,400 was related to 2014. Subscription received during the year is 2,08,000, out of which 10,400 is for next year. So this is closing received in advance. On 31st December 2013, there were 4 members who had not paid subscription for 2013 at 1,600 per person. Not paid, unpaid, accrued, outstanding. So this is closing outstanding 1,600 into 4 write up subscription account for the year 2013. So here missing figure is subscription which is to be transferred to income expenditure account. because subscription as per receipt payment account is given subscription received during the year, which is 2,08,000. Subscription account to balance brought down, opening outstanding 16,000, by balance carried down, closing outstanding 6,400, 1,600 into 4. By balance brought down, opening received in advance 4,000, to balance carried down, closing received in advance 10,400, by receipt payment account received during the year 2,08,000, to income expenditure account income for 2013 1,92,000. This is the balancing figure. Now go to illustration 2. The Sports Club of Orissa had received in the year 12-13 rupees 2,000 towards subscription. In subscription account credit side, by receipt payment account 2,000, subscription received during the year. Subscription for 11-12 unpaid on 1/4/12 200, unpaid outstanding, opening outstanding is 200. On 1/4/12 debit side, to balance brought down 200. Subscription paid in advance on 31st March 12 50. 31st March 12 is same as 1/4/12 the very next day. Credit side, very first figure on 1/4/12 by balance brought down 50, and the same is in advance on 31st March 13 was 40. Debit side, last figure 31st March 13 to balance carried down, closing received in advance 40. Subscription for 12-13 unpaid, that is outstanding, on 31st March 13 were 90. Credit side, last figure 31st March 13 by balance carried down 90, closing outstanding. To income expenditure account 1,900, this is balancing figure. Go to illustration 3. The amount of subscription appears in income expenditure account of South Indian Club is 3,000. Subscription as per income expenditure account is given. Subscription account debit side, to income expenditure account 3,000. Adjustments were made in respect of following. Subscription for 2012 unpaid on 1st Jan 13 was 400. Subscription account debit side, to balance brought down, opening outstanding 400, rupees 200 of which was received in 2013. So on 1st Jan 13 400 was outstanding. Out of that only 200 they have received. That means 400 minus 200, 200 is still outstanding. By balance carried down 200. This is for the last year. Subscription paid in advance on 1/1/13. Opening received in advance. Subscription account credit side, by balance brought down 100. Subscription paid in advance on 31st December 13 80. Subscription account debit side, to balance carried down. This is closing received in advance 80. Subscription for 13 unpaid on 31st December 13 140. This is closing outstanding subscription. By balance carried down 140. 200 plus 140 because opening outstanding was 400. Out of that they have received only 200. So 200 is still outstanding. So closing outstanding total is 200 plus 140, which is 340. By cash received, by receipt payment account, balancing figure is 3040. Now we'll see illustration 4. From the following information, prepare subscription account for the year ending on 31st March 13. Subscription in arrears on 31st March 12 1,500. To balance brought down 1,500, opening outstanding. Subscription received in advance on 31st March 12 1,000. By balance brought down 1,000, opening received in advance. Amount of subscription received during 12-13 was 40,000. By bank or by receipt payment account 40,000 received during the year, which includes 1,000 for the year 11-12 and 1,000 for the year 13, 14. 40,000 includes 1,000 for last year and 1,500 for next year. That means 1,500 is closing received in advance. Debit side, to balance carried down 1,500 received in advance closing. Subscription outstanding 1,000. Buy balance carried down for 11, 12, 500. Why? Because opening outstanding is 1,500. Out of that, they have received 1,000 during the year. So 500 is still outstanding. And closing outstanding 1,000 is given. So balancing figure is 39,500, which will go to income expenditure account. Now we'll see illustration 5. The accumulated balance of life membership fees at the beginning of the year 2012 was 6,40,000. Life membership fees are to be shown on the liabilities side of the balance sheet. This represents the balance of life membership fees paid by 20 members since the club started about 6 years ago. In the current year, 10 new life memberships were received totaling 4 lakh. It's the policy of the club to spread these fees over 20 years to income. The amount payable per person is always 40,000. So this is very important. They are spreading this life membership fees over 20 years and each person is paying 40,000. What is the amount to be recognized as income for the current year and what amount will be deferred through the balance sheet? 6 years ago, 20 members paid 40,000 into 20, 8 lakhs. Why 40,000? Each member is paying 40,000. Why 20? Because there are 20 members. 8 lakhs they have received 6 years ago. Every year, how much amount is to be transferred to income expenditure account? 8 lakhs divided by 20 because it is to be spread over 20 years, 40,000. New fees they have received from 10 members is 4 lakhs. Out of these 4 lakhs, 20,000 is to be transferred to income expenditure account as income. Why? Because it is to be spread over 20 years. So 4 lakhs divided by 20 is 20,000. Therefore, the amount to be recognized as income in the current year is 60,000, which is 40,000 plus 20,000. Amount to be shown on the liability side of balance sheet is opening life membership fee 6 lakhs 40,000 plus life membership fees received during the year 4 lakhs less transferred to income expenditure account 60,000, just now we have seen. Net amount in the balance sheet against life membership fees on the liability side 9 lakhs 80,000. In this particular video we have seen illustration for preparation of subscription account as well as how the life membership fee gets transferred to income expenditure account depending upon the policy of the organization. Thank you.